I went to Costco last night on the way home, right here in Brentwood. The water aisle and the toilet paper aisle were empty. And so I ended up going to
Here we go
Aldi's, and I
again.
ended up going to Kroger. And then if you listen to the talk radio and the news, they're saying people are already starting to talk about stocking up their pantries and getting their toilet paper and getting their goods because they're worried about there being supplies going forward. So again, if this strike ends up extending and prolonging, there will be a supply issue. I'm not sure to the degree of it. It may not be as bad as COVID, but if we do have a supply issue, it's going to cause prices to go up. So this strike is inflationary. It could cause prices to go up, and that could ultimately have a negative impact a lot on the economy as a whole, which obviously affects our world as well.
Yeah, so specifically, if this labor strike continues with the ports for an extended period of time, it's going to cause prices to go up throughout the whole economy. How will that trickle into the mortgage and the real estate markets? People that are interested in either buying or selling homes right now.
Well, listen, people are stretched as it is right now, and we're seeing a lot of people who are on the sidelines, like you said earlier, because they're worried about number one, the election. We don't know what's going to happen and what Kamala's policy is versus Trump's going forward with housing and the economy.
Right.
And this is just one more thing. We're already on edge already as a consumer. Right. And this is just one more thing, extra weight on your shoulders. Now you're even more worried because they need prices to come down. And now they're like, great, another economic issue where prices could end up going higher. So people are just literally frozen in fear, and they're scared to even make a move because they don't know what's going to happen going forward. There's so much volatility out there.
That is true. There's so much uncertainty in the markets right now. But this is why I say the number one mistake home buyers are making right now is waiting on the sidelines. Rates are going up just a little bit. I think they're going to go down into next year. But inventory is up right now. There are homes on the market right now. There are good homes out there to buy, and most people are sitting on the sidelines. I say now is the time to be getting in the market. We're in this sweet spot right now where the rates are decent. There's inventory out there. Now's the time to buy. Rates might come down a little bit, but if we get through the election, we get into early next year, we get through this labor strike, and rates do drop into the fives and all these buyers come back into the market, now you're going to have a ton of competition. You're going to have shrinking inventory, and you're going to have home prices going back up. So you're going to pay more for the same house, and it's going to far outweigh the increase cost for having a slightly higher rate.
And from my seat, I'm getting a lot of contracts in right now. Sellers are willing to negotiate. They are offering concessions toward closing costs and temporary interest rate buy downs. And there's some great deals out there. And we end up going back to where there are multiple offers again and home prices start rising, you're not going to see that again. So we're seeing some really good deals being negotiated in the market right now. And when rates come down and more people get back in the market, that's going to go away.